Hello.
I've never had a break from YouTube before, so to prepare myself, I think I should do a practice trip. And you guys can come with me. I'm sure nothing will go wrong. This is gonna be the best trip of my life. Now I wait. He sat next to me. I'm so excited. Yo, this is kind of cool. Why is this plane so big? I've never seen a plane before where you gotta literally run a marathon to get across it.
3,
I've
4,
never seen, which is
5.
H10. Okay, sorry, I got jump scared by the captain. Yeah.
This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard to flight 1836.
Okay, 1836. That's cool. Nobody cares. Where's H10?
Right?
H10.
Hello, everyone.
Captain.
Yo, this is kind of cool. Why is this plane
Captain.
so big? I've never seen a plane before where you gotta literally run a marathon
6,
to get across it.
7,
I've never
5.
seen- Yes. Yo, this is kind of cool.
3.
Why is this plane so
Ah,
big?
get
I've
into
never
the
seen a
airplane.
plane where you gotta literally run a marathon to get across it. I gotta find my seat, which is H10.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, sorry, I got jump scared, but
Stop. Stop. Please. 11. 11. What the? G. Oh. No. No. G11. G. Yes.
Captain, I never find my seat.
No time to our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane.
I only want to explore this nerd emoji. That's all I want. Are you even look at your ticket? My seat.
Now, please find your seats. We're about to cross an area of high turbulence.
Yeah, okay, what if I don't want to? What?
Wait up. Ooh.
But I don't want to! What are you gonna do about it? Yo, I want to check out first class. Absent in economy? This must be first class. Yo, these seats are nice. Why couldn't we sit here? It's literally empty everywhere. Ah, okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I'll go back to my seat. Please don't do that. Don't do that. It really hurt. Come on, do it.
Thank you for your cooperation.
You're welcome.
Get ready. Our crew prepares a snack for everybody.
A snack for free? Yo, I thought you had to pay for that stuff. Hello? Where the crew is? There she is. Yo, what snack she got? What do you got? They'll be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. Really? Wait, actually, what kind of sandwich are there? Can I get one of those? What's that stuff? Is that a drink? Is that tomato? What is that? Why is it green and red? What is it? Why did you speak it to me? You know, I am literally gonna stand here. What are you gonna do about it? You're not gonna run into me. You won't do that. You wouldn't. What? I have never been more disrespected in my life. You know what? I'm not gonna eat your stupid sandwich, but I am kind of hungry, so maybe I would. Wait a sec. Why does it look like that? What is that? Wait! The sandwich has mayo! I'm allergic to mayo! No! Wait, don't worry, we got you. We'll save you. Don't worry. Just hold out for Quickly, we need to Spanish medicine! Okay, I got you. Don't worry, Dirty Boogie, please. I would never let anything happen to you. Okay, let's go. No! What do you mean? Okay, Aki. Yes! Okay, let's go. For a sec, I thought he wasn't gonna do it because I wasn't a girl, but he has proved me wrong. I'm sorry for judging you. Okay, please, don't do that. Let's not do that. Okay, no wink emojis. All right, let's go. Let's go, baby! I have never been more excited in my life. Nerd emoji from before. I'm breaking up with you. Okay, I got a new best friend. Let's go! I am so excited. What's going on here? Wait, am I in? If I just got rejected, I'm gonna be so sad. Okay. I'm so ready for this. I am so ready for this. Wait, why does this plane kind of suck? Like compared to the last one, it looks old. What is this? I don't know if I like this. Where is the bacon? Look, I don't know, but that doesn't matter. You were the bacon. Are you talking about you? You are the bacon. Wow. Okay, why is that so loud? What's going on? Huh? Is the bacon? Look, I don't know, but that doesn't matter. You were the bacon.
Jello. Ow! How is that?
Are you talking about you?
How is that?
You are the bacon.
How is that? What the heck? How is that knowing this? See, I haven't seen that. No.
Welcome back. Thanks, Pilot Keely. What do you mean back? I don't remember you. Is there something I should know? As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. What do you mean?
I'm packed.
Congratulations! You have earned the president would like to celebrate birthday with you guys. Me? For what? Oh, yeah, I understand completely. Well, me? What I do? All right, enough chatting. Yes, you may join our conversation. That's what you're asking.
5.
Please read the seat that has a golden rainbow with your name on it. That's for about a crescent area right too. No! I ran it too slowly. I'm sorry. Help! Okay, Caroline, I almost died. Thank you for your cooperation. You're welcome. I'm extremely confused. I have been informed. Our president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find
For what you have done. Your country is grateful.
Socket, what agent? What's this guy? Oh, there he is.
Welcome to the presidential airplane. And
Just waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there for further instructions. Where is he? Who's talking? What agent? I'm extremely confused. I've been informed. Our president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there for further instructions. You son? Hey, what agent? What's this guy? Oh, there he is.
welcome to the presidential airplane. Congratulations. For what you have done. Your country is grateful.
I don't care if my country's grateful. Well, I only care if this guy's grateful.
Follow me to the next room. I will give you some instructions.
I'm not your player in the hang-up game. I believe you. You're so right. That's so true.
President is getting ready. He will meet you in the dining room in a couple minutes. But there is something you must know before that.
Why? What do we got? Why are you walking like that? Why are you walking this much? Stop. Stop doing it. You have to go to the bathroom.
The president is very special. He gets mad very easy.
Really?
Please do everything we say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane. Why don't you guys grab a glass of water while we wait?
Okay. Thank you. Oh, listen. I didn't mean that. Okay, I'm so sorry. Please. I seriously. How did I even do that?
Look at this mess.
Look, I'm just gonna leave, okay?
The president is gonna be so mad. Please.
Okay, I'm delayed. Thank you. Oh, listen. I didn't mean. Okay, I'm so sorry. Please, seriously, how did I even do that? Look at this mess. Look, I'm just gonna leave. Okay,
The president's gonna be so mad! Please find something to clean this mess, or else you'll have to lock Glitch. For the rest of the flight.
What? What are you talking? Quickly! Help! No, stop talking. We gotta find something quickly. Literally, this could be bad. What is that? What is that note for? What is that?
Go.
Wait, I gotta find.
Go.
Anything, a cloth? Anything we could use? Please? I'm only got 30 Mr. President! Hey! Are you about to be drunk? Why do you look like that? Why is your hair shiny? Oh, you're Ronald. Mr. President, you saved me, Blackpink!
Great, it's clean. Please don't let that happen again.
Thank you, Blackpink. I love K-pop.
President is ready now. Please follow me in the dining room.
Mr. President! Hey! Are you about to be drunk? Why do you look like that? Why is your hair shiny? Oh, you're Ronald, not Donald. Oh, Ronald. Okay, is that for copyright reasons? Wait, what? Serious, Abby.
Anyways, welcome to my airplane. My name is Ronald. I'm the president of Robotia States.
Robotia States. Friend! What? No! Why? Why would you do that? Bankrupt!
You must know that my heroes will let you dance. We are the necessary prepared for this special moment.
No, but seriously, why did you unfriend me? No, I didn't, please, I would never.
Sorry to interrupt, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. We will take care of him, Mr. President.
Yeah, take care of him. Take him away. I don't like him anymore. We unfriended him. We are no longer best friends.
You look like a great...
What the hell?
Wait, who's that? Don't let him cook, please. What? Mr. President? I've never cooked before!
Well, you better learn quick or I'm throwing you out the plate too.
I'm not good at that, Chief. Don't mess this up, idiot. Okay? Our whole life is in your hands. And I do not believe it. Did you just pee in the pot? Literally. You had one job.
The soup needs tomato.
Okay, please, please.
Tornado! Ooh. No tornadoes. Tornadoes. Yes! Potato. No, no. Potato. Chicken. Chicken. Apple. Butter. I don't need a butter.
Let's get into my first.
That's cookie. I already
I feel so lonely. Now I don't have any friends left. The third emoji left me. My new best friend left me. What am I gonna do? Third emoji! You're We're best friends again, okay? Okay, I will never leave you. Listen, stop. Yes! I don't know what's going on, but yes. He is so stylish. Look at no, don't leave. No, why do you want to leave? You see the door closing and your first instinct is let me run face first into it and try to die. No, don't do that. Okay, what is this? Should I be standing at the table? This looks kind of serious. Yeah, I want to sit next to you. He just takes a seat. Why do you look like you're eating the table?
Welcome, everyone. You were probably wondering why I gathered you guys here.
Yeah, I guess. That's a good question. Why are we here exactly? There's meant to be an airplane trip. I love your schedule. Back off. He's mine. Stop flirting with my best friend.
I'm the Robotic Estates Army General. You can call me Punch. From this point on,
Please, don't do that.
let's get to the points.
Who's that? Who's that? He doesn't look too trouble. I can't tell if you're radioactive or if you're shrimp.
Oh no, what's that? I'm sick. Still. Ooh, so gross.
Cousin,
Let's get to the points.
who's that? Who's that? He doesn't look too intimidating.
Please. Ah! 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, honestly.
Our target.
Sell me
This is our target.
This is our target. His name is Ronald. We'll investigate. And we know he is a dangerous Roxian. That is. Well, we're ready.
That's a captain. That's all his face.
Ronald has kidnapped the captain of an airplane.
Ah, that's where the airplane comes in. I get it. Okay, that makes sense. Oh no, everyone in that plane must be in danger. Wait, this is live?
That's right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in autopilot mode, which means everyone is safe.
Bro really summoned an Avengers team of the most useless Robloxians possible to include it. Just to tell us this?
Our mission is to stop Ronald. We need to find that plane and catch everyone else quickly.
Okay, but I have a question. How do you expect us to do that?
We will find Ronald's intentions and bring him to justice.
But how will we get the plane?
Good question. Follow me.
No, I'm only going if Alex goes. Okay, good. He's going. I'm going too. Where are we going? What's happening? Okay, what now? Who's farting? Oh wait, is this your room? Hey, this is kind of cool. I like this. Wait, no,
Cool.
sorry, I didn't follow you. I gotta follow your instructions. Okay. What now?
Everyone ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Are you ready, nerd emoji? You don't have to speak. Just nod or shake your head. Okay, he's not ready. Daryl, he's not ready. Was that you? Why did you answer that? I literally said nerd emoji. Okay, you're gonna die. Good job. You ready? Nerd emoji and Shrek's answered.
Welcome to the military cave.
Okay, why are you facing that way? Okay, fine. Don't tell me. Keep your secrets, Dad. Yo, this looks cool.
Yeah.
This is kind of nice. Wait, are we going in that plane?
That is how we're going to save the plane from Ronald. No one is leaving this place without a military outfit. Please take one behind you.
Okay. I don't think it's gonna fit
Red.
my friend over here, though. Why do you walk like that? Wait, no, I don't want to pick one, please. Those are saying yes. Okay, I'm just going. Wait, is there a yellow one? No, I want that one. I want this one.
Oh no! It looks like we don't have enough fuel! We will need to fill it up. That is the fuel nozzle.
No, I'm not doing this, okay? This is not a gas station simulator, and you need to take your downward seriously, General Pancho. If that's even your
I mean, red. In style. Epic. Epic here. Go back to tank. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Tank is the fuel. What?
Now we are ready.
No, because I'm not finished TikTok dancing. Hi! You can stop pretending now. Like, you realize we have refueled it. You can stop pretending to type.
I almost forgot. That's Pilot Clark.
Okay, so this is the guy that's gonna...
I want more. 60 jars. Starting the engine.
I in like 10 minutes.
He will be our popular throughout
Starting the engine.
Ready, January.
No. It's just
Okay, that's not the engine.
ready.
That's the...
Straight. Oh, that's better.
I like that. Engine's ready. Opening back door. Okay. Oh, wait. This is kind of cool. It's one of those military plans. It took me that long to realize that. Yes, I am stupid.
Yes,
Dad, find a seat before we close the door.
Okay, well, you better wait, because I'm literally on the other side. I'm gonna plug that. You realize this is so
Mommy,
quick.
who?
We can't take off.
Mommy.
We're having a time war. Stop. You hate to shoot back at me?
We're now flying in the kidnapped plane's direction.
Where's everyone? Why am I the only one here? Oi! What'd you do? Where's everyone?
Even so, we'll have a few hours until we get there. There's something about this Ronald guy.
Ronald? Wait, you mean the president? Well, I'm so confused.
At first sight, he looks like a good person. Why would he do something like that?
Why are you doing something like this? Stop pretending to type! Please! At this point, it looks like he's working out, okay? Maybe he's doing like a yoga session. That's what's going on.
Here, everyone, have a banana.
What if I don't want to?
Fun. Oh, great. Banana. Banana. Oh, wait. Old banana. Near the banana.
Okay,
No.
listen, birds again.
Wait!
Banana. Old break. Haha. Old break.
Don't eat the banana! There's poisons!
This day could not get any worse. What? She knew.
Old banana break.
I'm just kidding. It's just an old break.
Okay, I hated you already, but now I hate you even more.
What? Goodbye.
Sorry.
Bye. Goodbye. It's everyone. It is everyone.
Exit Bakey.
Okay, I'm going back to sleep. Never say that again. Never.
What? Don't tell me you forgot.
Forgot what? What do I forget? Wait.
Today's the big day.
The big day for what? You gotta just tell me.
Exit Bakey.
I've been waiting for. Come on! I've been waiting for so long. This has been like a 2-hour problem. Alright, I just want to go on a
Yep.
trip. That's it. Huh? Dad?
Wait.
Exit yeah.
Wakey, exit.
Wakey, exit Becky.
Okay, I'm going back to
Wow.
sleep. Never say that again. Never.
What?
What? What?
Don't tell me you forgot.
Forgot what? What do I forget? Wait.
Today's the big day.
The big day for what? You gotta just tell me what it is, please.
Let me remind you. We're flying to the Rohamas. Get down here.
You. This.
Here.
What? Wait, hold on a second.
Swim.
The way you just jumped out of the bed, you're defying gravity every day of your life. Are you gonna fall down? I feel like you should fall down these stairs. Look at you go.
Oh my, none of you have done your baggage.
Wait, what? Okay, but I didn't even know that we were doing this until 20 seconds ago. How did you expect us to do this?
That's it. Whoever doesn't have the baggage ready before breakfast is not going on the trip.
Ah! Okay, I'll do the baggage. What do I need to bring? Clothes? I think it's just clothes, right?
I will start making the burgers in the backyard. Hurry up.
Go.
No! This is a wrong group. You know what? I don't care. I'll take girl clothes. I do not care. Please, it's not working. It's literally not working. Are you kidding me right now? No! Wait, I'm gonna run out of time. I'm sorry. Look, I know I went to the wrong room. It's not my fault, alright? I really want to go in the
Go.
None of the clothes fit you, okay? They're for noobs, alright? You don't need clothes. You're perfect the way you are. Please, don't go throw up in the toilet again. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have 45 seconds to explore the house and then see where everything is. Then we start
Go
packing.
into the go.
How'd you know that? I don't like you. Okay, you're my least favorite sibling. You know everything. I don't like that. I'm gonna go take a seat on the toilet upstairs. I feel like I need that. You know, I've been holding this in for 3 airplane trips. I think I deserve a good poop, okay? Everyone deserves a good poop. Now, how do I... Okay, it's not letting me. It's not letting me. Why? Okay, guys. Time to start packing. Let's go. Alright, I went this way. And this way. And da-da-da. Okay, I got that. Now I gotta take it to my page. Okay. Come on.
Go on, please. Which letter? D4. Disaster. Airplane was back. This is real.
Before boat. Before boat.
Which letter? D4.
Dark.
Disaster.
One, two, three, four.
Beautiful fishing.
How is the taking so long? Go.
Boat. Hey there. Welcome to Carnival Cruise. My name is Jack. So I here. Just on this floating part. There is a lot of room in this cruise, so why don't we go and explore? OMG, we get to celebrate. Don't forget to check every corner. You will be surprised by the amount of secrets that there are in this place. Also, make sure to pick a room on the second floor. You will need it later. Why you chuckle? What secret? OMG. Dog.
No.
Not you in my room.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Welcome Welcome back to You Have Fun Exploring. Dog.
Ooh.
Ba't ganyan ang amoy? Hangroy.
I will lock you in my room.
Sup? Welcome back. Welcome back to You Have Fun Exploring.
Yes,
That is great. Now it's time to play a game.
I am going to lock dog tonight.
I'm going to ask for a random item that is hidden somewhere around the cruise. Once you find it, bring it to me.
And I came here to relax, not to fetch.
Are you ready?
If you need someone to go fetch, ask dog.
Bring him forward.
Therefore,
Antisocial bandit first.
I was first.
Time to pick another item.
I will get the bow box.
For our second item, bring the toilet paper.
OMG and toilet connoisseur.
So yes,
Smiley Shark found it first.
to go.
This cruise has bad bench way.
You guys are great finders.
Go.
Now for our last item. Folding ticket.
Go back to.
No problem. This cruise has bad bench way.
You guys are great finders. Now for our last item. Bring me folding ticket.
No problem.
Stop complaining, they have monster.
Word. Stop talking, I will get this bow box.
Antisocial
Toilet
found it
paper.
first. You guys are too good for this.
Pack it.
There will be two teams. Blue team on my left side, red team on my right side. The objective is to eliminate everyone on the other side of the pool. The winners take 15 cruise bucks each.
Are you going to relax or are you going to play world class sport? OMG. Nice shape.
Dodge.
Crap.